Hi guys. So I will be showing you something I got as an early birthday present because my birthday isn't that far away. Since Smiggle smells like backpack and school stuff, I'm actually really surprised. But this is actually kind of bad quality because like the paint has already peeled out. It's just like a squishy. And I never knew they sold squishy. So it's this pink squishy that's color changing. And it has these extra little bit. First of all, it's already peeled. And I like to play with it a lot. And the paint is really easy to peel. Like if you play with it a long time. It doesn't make good sound. It does do good stuff. Ow! Is that another thorn in me I found? Oh, sorry. I was just at my friend's house today and I kind of crashed into a thorn bush. Don't mind me. So yeah. I would rate it probably like around a 7.5, maybe an 8. Because first of all, it is very nice to squish. Very easy, very nice on your hands. That's all of my other squishies up there. And fidgets and what I'm gonna get for my birthday. I'm also gonna probably be making a vlog on my birthday. So I am so sorry I haven't posted in a while. I was kind of giving up because like first of all nobody kind of watches my videos, but who cares? I can just make them. What was that? Did it pop? Okay, now. Okay, that was a very disturbing sound. I can just make them for fun so I can look back on them really. By maybe making a new YouTube channel. I don't know. I'll be thinking about it. And yeah, I guess that's all. What would you guys rate this? Bye!